Hello, my name is Stefan Obst. I'm working as a product portfolio manager here in Siemens, and today I'm showing you on the SBS Fair 2025 what we have cool available with AI. As you can see, we have an engineering copilot for TIA Portal. That means TIA Portal is one of our most complex tools to engineering stuff like drives, like PLC and HMI. It's complicated, it's not so easy to get familiar with it, but now with Copilot we are able to help you to generate, for example, easily SCL code in a real time. So you can upload your own document, as we show it here in the example prompt, to take care about your standards and generate code in a much better quality than before, with Siemens standards and so on. So as you can see, now it directly generates your code block, which you can review it, you can adjust it, and you can go further with that. So everything in one source that's possible to interact now with the Copilot. And then the last step is, of course, to integrate that directly with the TIA Portal project. So in the last step you can say, hey, Copilot, take that code block, import that to my machine, and you can directly execute it and see if it works. This is only one use case. We have more than these use cases available, like project text translation, generating your first basic visualization, generate your hardware config as we see it now on this screen. Everything with the Copilot is currently possible. But here we concentrate also on repetitive tasks, I would say, like boring stuff like common code or something like that. Nobody likes it, nobody would like to do it. And this is what the Copilot can handle for you, so that you are able to concentrate on this more innovative stuff. So in a nutshell, Copilot will be your assistant in future to be faster, more innovative, and having more fun with our products.
I wonder what expert engineers come to the booth to ask you about in this show.
Yeah, so of course they ask us, what kind of use cases are you working on? How can you help me to save time, getting my machine faster to my customer? This is exactly what we are addressing with Copilot. Being faster in future, being more innovative in future, and avoid boring tasks, I would say.
And it's on Windows?
Currently, our Copilot is next to the TIA Portal, so it's an own program. It's Windows-based, I would say. And you can use it in interaction between TIA and the Copilot together.
And so basically, the language model has full access to your documentation, and it really knows how your system works.
Yes.
And it gives a great kind of like accurate code that really works.
Yeah, this is one point. So exactly for code generation, we trained the model with our knowledge and with only our knowledge. So your data will stay your data, but we trained everything to provide you the best code out of the box. And another great thing is that we also uploaded our own documentation to the Copilot. So you can ask every question related to our Siemens portfolio and find the right documentation in a much quicker way.
And is it in production? People use it now? Or is just a demo and it's coming later?
Yeah. So currently we are in the development phase, but currently we plan to have a general availability of that product beginning of next year. We are looking currently at the exact date, but in the early next stage, we'll come up with the product.
And here at the Siemens booth, there's so many different technologies on display. And is this related to all of them? Like when you want to develop something, no matter what, in this industrial automation space, you have, this could work for that?
Of course, we are concentrating here on the TIA Portal, but you're totally right. So not only these engineering data are helpful for the TIA Portal engineering, we can use it in the future maybe also for the production side or for designing of your machine. So this interaction will grow and then comes more and more together. So everything comes together in one tool, in one AI assistant for everything. But at the moment, we are concentrating on each and every part and see how helpful it will be.
And do you think the job of a software engineer in this space is going to get more interesting because of tools like this?
Yeah, exactly. Because as I said, the software engineer do not have to concentrate on this boring task like comment the code. He can concentrate on the innovative task, creating new functions, better functions. And the Copilot is a really good partner to help him to avoid this boring part, I would say.
And I guess a great software engineer is the best prompt engineer because they know what is needed.
Exactly, this is a really good point. So of course we have to see that our customers or our software engineers are also learning the prompt engineering part. Because if you provide a really good prompt, you get a really good result out of that. If you provide only shit in, shit out, I would say. So less information results, more or less, and less results. And if you provide more good information, it's better.
did you talk about what language you're using? Is it Claude or is it ChatGPT, or you don't say exactly?
We are not saying exactly which kind of models we are using. We look to all of them. We decide for our customer which are the best models, and we say we are secured with the data which we are using, or which the customer are providing to our Copilot. It stays his data, and we are not using them for training, or the competitor knows it tomorrow. This is of course avoided, but we see there's a big development in the market of regarding LLM development. So we have to see all the time which is the best model. And so we prepare everything for the customer.
And what's going to be the business model? Are you going to provide something for free, or is it going to be tokens? You need to buy the tokens?
Of course, if we release the product, there will be, of course, something like a trial version available that you can see how that works, if it's helpful for you already. And then it's a subscription base. So we will charge then a yearly based subscription to our customers for using the Copilot.
For each engineer?
It's that you can use it for up to 3 engineers, not in parallel, but you can decide who can use it, and this is the case how we do it at the moment.
And is it VS Code based, or people might have different programming environments they like?
Yeah, so currently we are concentrating on our current portfolio, I would say. So that means for PLC we have SCL code generation, ladder code generation, and more comes up. In WinCC Unified, for example, we can generate JavaScript code and test cases as well. So these are, of course, only the language part, I would say, but of course more than only one.
Don't get fooled by fake HDMI products. Only source authentic HDMI products from licensed HDMI adopters and authorized manufacturers and
resellers to ensure compliance. Counterfeit or unlicensed products can cause poor performance.
Certified HDMI products undergo official testing for safety and spec compliance.
Avoid brand damage, warranty issues, and customer dissatisfaction from unlicensed products.
long-term cost savings come from reliable, genuine HDMI solutions.
Unlicensed products may lack support and pose safety risks.
Use certified HDMI cables with official HDMI certification labels.
Report suspected counterfeit products at hdmi.org/resource/infringe.
Thanks to our global partners for helping keep the HDMI brand real and ensuring consumers get the experience they deserve.